Hey guys, welcome back to my channel TARUNEET KAUR. I hope you're all doing well. So if you're new to my channel or you're watching my videos for the first time, please hit the subscribe button, that red color button which is at the right side. Hit the subscribe button and next to that there is a bell icon as well. Hit that bell icon so that whenever I posted a new video, you will get notified and you can watch my videos on the same time. So let's just talk about today's video now. So today's video is an unboxing of ORNA box. So let me tell you, ORNA box is a monthly jewelry subscription that you can subscribe for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months and 12 months, and it comes in two types. Like one is the green box and second one is the blue box. The green one is the mini ORNA box and the blue one is the big ORNA box maybe. So I got the mini one and this one retails for rupees 499 plus the delivery charges, and the blue one retails for $7.99 including the delivery charges. It comes in green cardboard packaging and in the front it says ORNA box with the logo. So I'm going to unbox this one. I already unboxed it. I'm just going to show you what products I got. So it comes, so this is how it comes. So now one by one I'm going to show you what products I got. So firstly I got these beautiful earrings. See how beautiful these are. Let me just show you. This is the first product that I got. They are not too heavy, not too light, but yes, this is something like we can wear it for like even 9 to 10 hours easily. And the second product that I got is these beautiful thread earrings. So it looks like this. I think I already received these kind of earrings in one of my boxes. I think Euphoria box. I think so, yeah. So this is how it looks like. So beautiful quality. Let me just show you. They are also not too heavy, not too light. See, the threads are so fine and this looks so beautiful. The work is like so good. Yeah, so this is the second product that I got. And the next product is, I can see, is the ring. Okay, so this is the ring that I got. Let me just wear it. Okay, this is an adjustable one and it has a not so focused mirror here, but yes, a little mirror here. And it looks like this. So this is the ring that I got. Nice. And the next product that I got is this beautiful necklace. I'm loving it with the colors already. Let me just open it. Okay. Okay. Chain is broken but it's fixable, so I'm gonna fix it up later. Right now I'm just going to show you the look. So this is the look. Beautiful. So this is the fourth product that I got. It's a beautiful necklace. Let me just show you the detailing. See the detailing. It's so beautiful and it has so fine quality. Yes. And the last product that I got is this a bangle or a bracelet, you can say. Okay, so this is how it looks like, and this is also adjustable one. So let me just show you this beautiful bangle, and this is the adjustable one. See, this is the bangle. All the products are of very fine quality. Yes. And let me tell you one thing, they give you some choices. Like I got 4 choices. Like I can choose my products, like my 4 products. So I choose these 4 products for me. This one, this one, this one and this one. So that's these are my choices. This is the only product that they sent me of their own choice. I like this also. So these are the 5 products that I got, and yes, it's empty. So now let's just talk about like the quality. The quality is so good, so fine. Obviously the choices we get or the choices they made for us are like thumbs up. I loved it. And according to the price, I think this is the affordable jewelry subscription, I know. So I'm gonna link all the details about the ORNA boxes if you want to buy them. The buying detail, everything will be in the description box. Make sure you check that out if you want to buy the product. I can recommend it if you want to buy it. So from my side, it's a yes. It's a big yes. You can subscribe it for ORNA boxes. And This is it. So I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.